it's quiet in this house, the windsock's usually going to be on because it just filters just a little bit more extra noise from hitting the microphone. So let's go on ahead and turn AI noise reduction, because AI noise reduction, what it does is it takes anything that doesn't sound like your voice, tries to block it out. So there's 3 levels to it. One unofficially is off. Then you have normal and then strong. So let's go, it's off right now. Let's go to normal so you guys hear what that sounds like. But before we do, let me open the windows because we've got to do the window test. All right, I'm not gonna open up the windows too much more because it'll get real turbulent in this joint. This is how it sounds with the window open, everything off. So let's put it on normal and see how it sounds. Something I forgot to mention, the microphone, the gain settings. I have the gain settings at -6. Typically, if you don't know, I don't want to insult your intelligence. If you notice, then my bad. It's not, this part of the video isn't for you. And when I say this part of the video, I mean like the next 15 seconds. When you're in a noisy environment, these microphones can be very sensitive. You always want to turn the gain to a lower level, which would be in the negatives. -4, -6, -8, -12, -16, -18, whatever you see in the options, the settings, and you can do that with the microphone. You don't have to do it on the camera. It's at -6 right now because this environment is sort of noisy. If it's even noisier, like let's just say I wanted to use this for motovlogging and I had this microphone in my helmet, which is very unlikely because it's so bulky, but let's just say I wanted to use it in that format, then I would go to like -12, maybe even -18, which would be the lowest volume settings on the gain. So just to put that out there, it's at -6 right now. I do have the low cut option on. Low cut option is going to take out the bassy frequencies. So like if you are motovlogging and you had this thing in your helmet, the frequencies of the air passing around your helmet is the bassiest, low frequencies. Low cut tries to reduce the crap out of those frequencies so that you don't hear all this in your audio, a bunch of bassy stuff, okay? So that is on as well. This is what it sounds like. The windows are closed. We're going to open the windows. All right, and this is how it sounds with the windows open. So let's go on ahead and change it to strong, and I'll show you guys how, I'll let you guys hear how that sounds. So we have AI voice assistant set to high. This is how it sounds like, or sounds strong. That's what it sounds like with the windows closed. And this is what it sounds like with the windows open, just so you guys have an idea of what you're working with here. Okay, so now we're going to do a series of video clips where I'm going to change the gain settings. And then once I get to the gain settings that I like to use for this type of environment, got this loud little generator right here going off. The good thing I like about doing audio tests with the Ace Pro 2 and specifically is the Ace Pro 2 has a really good built-in microphone. So when you do audio tests with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 specifically, you can do it with the X5 as well, and I think X4 has dual recording, is you have a slider in the Insta360 app that you can move to favor the Bluetooth audio or more of the actual built-in microphone of the camera, or you can kind of leave it right in the middle and get the best of both worlds. Being that this does have a really good built-in microphone, that's not a bad option to have, you know, I'm just saying. So anyways, right now we got the gain setting at -18, all right? The microphone's inside my shirt. This microphone is kind of bulky compared to the Mic Air, so just keep that in mind. So it's kind of a little more uncomfortable wearing it. I'm using the clip right now. This thing doesn't have magnetic, it's not magnetic, the remote isn't. So, and I can see, you know, because it has a GPS built into it, there could be some issues with the accuracy of the GPS chip. So maybe that's why Insta360 didn't make the actual microphone / GPS remote magnetic. But anyways, this is how it sounds, -18. We're gonna go to -12 so you guys can hear how that sounds. And AI voice assistant is off doing this during the gain setting test. And so here's what this audio sound like with the gain level set to -12. This is how I sound. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? All right, so we have the audio at -6 decibel gain right now. This is where I'm going to stop as far as going higher up in the gain setting menu system because of the situation with this generator. Obviously, you guys hear how I sound now. Noise, AI voice assistant is off right now, or AI noise reduction, I'm sorry, I keep saying voice assistant. AI noise reduction is set to off. This is how I sound. Got the generator motor running, pretty loud motor. We're gonna go on ahead now and start using the AI noise reduction so you guys can see the difference in that. And this is how I sound with AI voice assistant set to normal. So there's gonna be 2 settings. You got normal and you got strong. This is normal, let's go to strong. All right, so we have the microphone GPS remote. on my wrist, and this is how it is. So imagine I'm sitting on a motorcycle or a bicycle or anything like that of that sort, and I'm just recording. Now we're still getting, if you do have the dual track audio settings set to on in the actual camera itself, now you're still going to have that feature of being able to use that awesome built-in microphone that the Ace Pro 2 has, and still have this thing here on your wrist. And obviously you want to make sure that the microphone is facing your mouth. You don't always need to have noise reduction on, or I'm not noise reduction, you don't always need to have the windsock on, but unless you're indoors recording in a studio or just recording indoors in general where there is absolutely no wind, production that can get into your microphone, I will probably always tell you to have the windsock on. The audio gain settings at -6, and this is how it sounds next to the generator motor. I mean, you see my hand is like literally right next to the generator motor, and this is how it sounds. So let's go to the next setting. So the AI noise reduction is set to normal. It was on off before, but this is what it sounds like on normal. I'm going to get on my bicycle or electric scooter or something of that sort at some point, and I'm going to show you guys how it sounds on that. But right now, this is normal. Let's go to strong so you guys can hear what that sounds like. Being handheld, again, I'm holding the selfie stick with the same arm that the microphone is hooked up to. So let's go to strong. All right, and here's what we sound like when it's set to strong. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? In the comments, let me know what you think. Which one sounds best to you so far? So there's your Insta360 video with this GPS microphone. If you have any questions, get in the comments below. Look, I got a Jay on the Segway tutorial channel that I'm going to put the link to in the description. Also have Connie, G's Moto. Get over there, check out her channel. She's going to be moto vlogging. She's going to be doing videos on other things, but it's a different perspective, some more entertainment. If you guys want something to watch, get over there and check her channel out. And I have some affiliate links in the description below for these cameras and the microphone accessories. I got some affiliate links down there if you guys are interested. You want to buy any of this stuff, use the links below. It won't cost you anything extra. It'll help me out just a little bit. So without further ado, guys, like I said, if you have any questions or any concerns, any recommendations for video ideas, let me know in the comments below. Also, on this microphone, and right now you guys are actually listening to me on Ace Pro 2, the built-in microphone, which sounds pretty good, doesn't it? I know. Anyways, I have some more videos coming out with this microphone because there was a couple of things that was getting my brain moving and ticking, and I was like, I need to do this. I need to try this. So I'm going to put some more videos out in the next week or so on this microphone. So if you're interested and you're curious to see what that's going to be, just stick around. Definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know when that video comes out. But as for now, I'm going to finish this video up. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.